Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. I want to talk about a wheel cleaner that I've been testing since April. A lot of you guys know that I'm a fan of Superior products. We can get these products if you happen to have an O'Reilly's near you, an auto parts store. O'Reilly's carries Superior products. If they don't have it in stock, you can just ask them to order it. Typically here in Dallas, Texas, if they don't have it in stock, they'll get it for me the next day, so that's really cool. This wheel cleaner I'm going to talk about is quite, well, it's really amazing to me, because if you've been following my channel, you know how much I'm a fan of acid-based wheel cleaners. Why? Well, as a professional detailer, I come across wheels that look far worse than this. This happens to be my 2017 Texas Edition Silverado. The wheel hasn't been cleaned in a month. I've got all sorts of nasty stuff on that wheel. All that nasty garbage, right? Got brake dust, grease, grime, whatever. But I haven't had time to clean it. What I'm going to show you is this product called Rage by Superior Products. I get this for less than $20 a gallon because I have a business and I can open up a business account with O'Reilly's and get a discount. But I think it's about $20 for the gallon with Superior Products. This is very interesting. It's a wheel tire cleaner. It's also a bug remover. It also can be used to remove traffic film off the car, safe on paint. It's body shop safe. Whatever that means, right? I guess there's no silicones in it and all that good stuff. This is meant to be diluted 4-to-1. That means a gallon of this stuff will give you 5 gallons of workable fluid. That's really cool. What I love about this stuff is how versatile it is. I can use it on the paint. I can use it to remove bugs. I can use it to clean the wheel wells, the tire, the wheel itself, and I only need one product to do it with. Really, really cool. What's interesting is I've been testing this since April, and I came across the SDS sheet, and it's got a pH rating of 7. I called up Superior Products and I said, can you tell me what this is all about? It's kind of brown. Well, it's not kind of, it is brown. I said, why did you make it brown? It's kind of an ugly color. I was teasing them. They said, Scott, the surfactant in it that helps break down grease and grime and brake dust is brown on its own, so they can't change the color of it. This is what I typically do with this stuff. I know some of us, when we clean a wheel, we want to pre-rinse right and then put the wheel cleaner on. Before I even do that, it kind of makes sense if you follow that philosophy that I want to pre-rinse first and then use my wheel cleaner. This stuff is so cheap. Superior Rage, about $20 a gallon. You cut it 4-to-1. Before I even pre-rinse, if that's what you want to do, I'm going to take my MAROLEX sprayer, the ERGO 2000, which is pumped up. I got Rage inside of it 4-to-1, and I'm going to pre-treat the wheel before I pre-rinse it. Does that kind of make sense? Let it dwell for about 30 or 40 seconds. And since I'm here, I'll do the wheel wells as well. Man, I say that a lot, right? Wheel wells as well. I'll even hit it on the paint. Not going to hurt anything. Kind of a gross color, right? It's brown. That's just the way the surfactant works. The only downside to this cleaner, and I absolutely love it, guys, is when it gets on the concrete or your asphalt, you just want to rinse it away. It's kind of like an iron remover. It doesn't act like an iron remover, but the same symptom. I've had iron removers stain my concrete in my driveway, so you want to just rinse it and dilute it and push it down the driveway and you'll be fine. So I'll let it sit there for about 30 or 40 seconds and then I'll rinse it off. What's really cool about this product, and acid-based wheel cleaners do this, but this isn't acid-based. This is not acid, and it's one of my favorite wheel cleaners that's not acid. It does something. This is a clear-coated chrome wheel, right? but it kind of has some optical brightness to it, almost like an acid-based wheel cleaner does, like Meguiar's wheel brightener. It's already made the wheel begin to pop, and I haven't even agitated. So what I'm going to do is just simply spray some more on here, get it on the tire, then I'll take my brushes and just go to town. I'm going to take my big green brush here and do this big wheel since it's a high-profile wheel. I'm not being over diligent about trying to clean that tire because I'm tired. And it's Sunday. Heck, I'll even go in here and use this green brush for the wheel. Don't tell anybody. This could lightly scratch the wheel, but it's mine. I'll live. I like the lubrication with this cleaner. Really, really nice. I can kind of feel it under the brush. Even though when you spray it on there, it's a fluid, I can feel that there's some lubrication there that's really nice. Then what I'll do is just take one of my little wheel woolies, maybe get some more inside the barrels. Take my little wheel woolly here and lightly agitate. I haven't cleaned these wheels in about a month. This is about as far as I'm going to go with it. It's my truck. It's not a customer's truck. I'm cool with it. I just want to get it back to normal so it's not out of control and somebody sees me at the grocery store and says, "Scott, why is your truck all dirty?" Now I'll simply rinse off. I love what it does to the wheel, how bright it makes it, almost like an acid-based cleaner like I was talking about before. Works really, really good, really well. Now I'll show you using it on the paint. Let's say I wanted to remove some traffic film. I wanted to remove some bugs from the paint. This is how I would do it. It's a little bit of a nasty color, right? It's brown, but you can definitely see where you've applied this stuff. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I think so, right? Getting that juicy goodness all over my truck. So I'll let it sit there and dwell for about 30 to 40 seconds. Really great traffic film remover. Really great at removing bugs, grease and grime. If you want to decon the paint before you do an iron remover or a clay bar treatment before paint correction, this works wonders. Am I getting you guys wet? Hopefully not. Well, there you go. This is one of the best wheel and tire cleaners I've used that isn't non-acid, because I can use it on the paint to remove bugs. I can use it on the paint to remove serious grease and grime on a neglected vehicle. Does a great job of cleaning wheels and tires. One product kind of does it all. And for me, with a business account with O'Reilly's, getting it for less than 20 bucks, that's amazing to me. Absolutely love it. Let me show you the bottle again. Superior Products. It's called Rage. Body Shop Safe Wheel and Wheel and Bug Cleaner. A pH of 7. And to be able to do that to the wheel and the tire is amazing. It gets a lot of that grease and grime that's been on that truck for about a month off there. Kind of even made the what do you call these things, guys? My God, my head is in the clouds today. These little step-up rails. Somebody will tell me down below what they're called. I forget. Even got that to pop a little bit. So there you go. Got to continue to wash my truck, but there's Superior Rage. I used it in the MAROLEX pump sprayer. I diluted it 4 to 1. That's what they recommend. I've used it 3-to-1, 2-to-1 when tires and wheels are really bad. Works incredibly well. Folks, I love you. Hope that helps you out. Superior Age, superior products. Buy it at O'Reilly's. You can even go to their website. It is an amazing product for its versatility and all the things that you can do with it. I absolutely love it. Talk to you guys soon.